Hello guys. Every day when we go out to work, go to school or do different things in our day, what happens? Huge traffic jams in the cities. This makes things difficult and causes accidents or delays, right? But look here, how do ants manage to move in lines without causing traffic jams? Now let me explain, come with me. In ant colonies, ants need to travel long distances to collect food and supplies. When they return with their food, they cannot make big movements to avoid the other ants coming in the opposite direction. So, the ants that are still on their way to find food, in order to avoid causing an accident, adjust their speed and change direction to avoid collisions with other ants coming from the opposite direction. Moreover, when an ant is arriving at the nest with food, it has priority to enter first and the other ants that are leaving wait for the right moment to exit. And thus they manage to move smoothly without any accidents or problems. How magnificent! But how do they do all this? Surprisingly, ants have the ability to communicate with each other and work as a team to solve problems. But how do they do it? Through their antennae, as they pass each other. They touch their antennae and can understand where there is food, measure distance, which path to take, and more. Wow, they are amazing. So, next time you get stuck in a traffic jam in a big city, remember the ants and their incredible ability to work together and show respect. So, did you like it? Leave your like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.